Hi, my name is Jacob and today I would like to share a project that I've been working on with you. So in my room I have all Philips Hue lighting, and a problem with that is if I want to change my lights or really do anything, I have to find my phone, open up the app, wait for it to load, and then I can change my lights or whatever I want to do. And that's a really tedious process. So I thought it would be much easier if I could just do that on my computer. So I made a Philips Hue Controller that works right in your browser, and in that way you'll be able to control your lighting whether you're on your phone or a tablet or on your computer. So yeah, I would love to show you how it works. So for this to work in a Chrome browser, we first have to allow insecure content. And that might sound a bit extreme, but that is just how it is when we're working with a local Philips Hue bridge. There's simply no other way to do it. I have tried everything really, but when you're doing it in a browser, that's the only way. But what you do is you go up on the lock up here, go to Site Settings, and then you just scroll down and find Insecure Content and press Allow. And then you go back and then you can reload the site. But yeah, it kind of sucks, but that's how it is. I can tell you that this is all running locally. All the code is open source, so you can go and check if you are scared about anything. But let's connect to the Philips Hue bridge. So all you do is just press create a new connection. Then it will automatically find a Philips Hue bridge on your network. I will just go press the button on the Philips Hue bridge, and then we can see that it will show up in green to show that a connection has been made. And now I can just press login, and that's it. Now I'm connected. And you can see all my rooms over here. It's all in Danish because I'm from Denmark, so I've written all my lights and rooms in Danish, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. This is the rooms, and I can turn off the lights, and I can also turn off the lights in my room here. And I can select the room and control all individual lights, and I can change the hue and everything. And when you use this, it might look a bit different. I'm still working on improvements, and if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear them. But this is how it looks right now. And then I have all my scenes down here, and these are all imported from the phone app. So it's really just works all automatically. I haven't set any of this up other than setting it up on my phone. So it automatically adjusts to how many lights you have in each room and all your scenes and everything. So, and I can turn on every individual light by just clicking on them. All the data right here is stored locally. So the data you see right here is stored in your local storage on your computer. So that means every time you go to the site, it will log in automatically. So like if I refresh the page, it will automatically log in. So it's super easy. You can just start like I have done here, and then you can just click on that or save it to a desktop or whatever. And then it's super easy to just open up and just adjust your lights or whatever. So this really made it so much easier for me to control my lights. And I think it's really cool that it just works in a browser. You don't even have to download anything. Yeah, so I would love to hear your feedback on what you think about this, and you can always go check out my GitHub and write issues there, or write something in the comments section under this video if you want to. And then lastly, I will just say thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.